Hello everyone. So we have got this question which says area of shaded portion. Area of this shaded portion. Shaded portion is this one. This is n times the area of a small circle. This one is the small circle. So it says the area of shaded portion. Area of shaded portion is n times the area of a small circle. This is small circle. So we will try to find what is the value of n. It has asked in the question what is the value of n. How many times the small circle area will combine to form this shaded area. So let's say we are calling this shaded area, we are calling this shaded portion to be x and area of a small circle to be y. Then our equation will become x is equal to n times y. X is equal to shaded portion. X is shaded portion, red shaded portion. This one. X is the red shaded portion. So we can see from the figure that this portion x is equal to bigger circle, this bigger circle minus a smaller circle, this bigger circle minus a smaller circle will give this shaded portion, red shaded portion. So let's calculate this. Bigger circle has r radius, capital R has radius, so area will become pi capital R square minus small area. This is small area will have area pi small r square. So this x is equal to, if we will take pi common, then it will be capital R square minus small r square. So now if we will see in the figure, we will find that this r, since this radius is tangent to this small circle, so this line coming from the center of bigger circle will pass from the center of a small circle. So this small circle will have radius r, this will be also radius r, and this r plus r will make the radius of bigger circle. So this is also equal to the bigger circle. So r and r will make r and small r plus small r. So this r will become 2r. So using this equation, putting the value of r is equal to 2r in this equation, let's copy this equation and paste it here. So using value of capital R here, what will we get? We will get pi, this is 2r square minus r square, so this will be 4r square minus small r square, this will be pi 3r square. So if we will take 3 outside, it will be 3 times pi r square, and this is nothing but this pi square is the area of a small circle, and we have assumed a small circle to be x, to be y. A small circle area is y and shaded portion is x. So this x is equal to this is x only, x is equal to 3 times y. So we are comparing this equation with x is equal to ny. We will get n is equal to 3. So 3 is the answer. I hope this is clear. Thank you.